Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over our 2007 and up 12-inch Gixxer 1000 Swingarm extensions. Alright, so for our 2007 on up all the way to currently 2023 Gixxer 1000 for our 12-inch, these are all going to be the same as far as the brake setup. They're all going to, your caliper is just going to slide into this little track built in right here on the right side. And once you tighten your axle up, it'll tighten that up. You won't be able to move it. And as always, two finish options on all of our extensions. Raw aluminum here, and the black. This one features the engraving, which is optional, no extra. Alright, so what we got here is just the accessories that you can opt for with our Swingarm extensions. Right here is our standard chain. It's gonna be a firepower. These are all 150 links, so you're going to have to cut links pretty much no matter what length you're stretching to, whether it's 12 inches or our shortest at 4.5. So our standard trains usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. We send them with boosters and everything all the time with no problems. Our EK chains are more of a race oriented chain. If you're going to drag race all the time, it's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links available in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, just pretty standard. So if you're rocking an ABS bike, if I could pick these up, you only have two choices. You'll have the black and the stainless for ABS lines, and they will be 60 inches, so they'll be quite a bit longer, and that is because they're going to go from your rear caliper all the way up and bypass anything else up into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under your tank, depending on the model you have. And as far as for non-ABS bikes, you have all your color choices here. We got everything except purple. That's pretty much all you need to know, and it'll just be two banjo fittings on either side. Again, as everything we do, everything we make, lifetime warranty, no BS. If you have any questions, any concerns, please reach out, call me, and that will wrap up our 07 and up Gixxer 1000.